Hello everyone, today we're excited to introduce the Cumbor 29.7 to 40.6 Baby Gate for stairs, a Mom's Choice Awards winner designed to keep your little ones safe and secure. This metal baby gate is perfect for blocking curious babies and toddlers from accessing staircases and other off-limit areas, thanks to its unique and patented double-lock safety release. With a convenient walk-through design, it stands 30.5 inches tall and adjusts from 29.7 to 40.6 inches wide, offering a generous 23.6-inch gap for easy passage even when you're holding your baby. Crafted from durable steel, this gate can withstand impacts of up to 150 N, making it ideal for families with both children and pets. Installation is a breeze with simple pressure mounting that takes just 10 minutes and requires no tools, making it suitable for stairs, hallways, doorways, and open spaces. Plus, Cumbor offers a range of baby gates and accessories in various sizes, accommodating both pressure and drill installations to fit your specific needs. So, if you're looking for a reliable and sturdy solution to keep your little ones safe, the Cumbor Baby Gate is definitely worth considering. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.